Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Ikhlas dari kelas 11 TKR 1. Saya akan menjelaskan factual report. Factual report is a text that explains and elaborate some factual information related to particular object, matter of things which are based on empirical, real, and or scientific fact or information. 3. The purpose of factual report takes in to convey information, text observation, and systematic analysis. Factual text inform, instructs, or persuade by giving facts and information. Literary text entertain, elites, and emotional respond by using language to create mental image. Students are often asked to present an assignment or project, which may be one of these text tips. Fish live in salt water and fresh water all over the world. They come in many different shapes and sizes, but most are covered in scales and have strong fish for swimming. A fish scales only in the same direction to help the fish sleep through weather. Like us, fish need oxygen to live, but instead of breathing air, they absorb the oxygen in the water. Water is enters the mouth and sweep over the gills. The oxygen passes from the water into tiny blood vessels in the gills. Fish often swim in groups called shoals. One reason they do this in for protection. Many fish together can confuse a predator. This makes it hard for the predator to single out a fish. Example: dolphins. Just like us, dolphins feed their babies milk. They also have warm blood like us. This means that dolphins are mammals. Dolphins live in a group called a pool. This group is also called a school. About 12 dolphins will live in a pod together. They like to be with family and friends. Dolphins live in lots of places in the world. They like to live in weather that it's not really deep. This is because they can swim to about 800 feet deep only. There are 41 kinds of dolphins. The bottlenose is the best known dolphin. A male dolphin is called a bull. A female dolphin is called a cow. And the babies are called dolphins. Like to talk to each other. They do not use words, but they whistle and make sound. A dolphin cannot breathe under water, but it can stay under the water for 15 minutes. Dolphins like to eat fish. They eat squid too. They can find their food by making sound. The sound bounces off a school of fish. The dolphin can hear the echo. This makes dolphin are very smart.